Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study Guide. We will discuss this MSc Forensic Science DU 2020 entrance exam question paper. We have discussed till question 30. Now in this session we will discuss further MCQs. Here the 31st question is, which of the following fiber is of the mineral origin? 1. Mohair, 2. Nylon, 3. Asbestos, 4. Rayon. The correct answer for this is the option 3, that is asbestos. Next question, question 32. Which of the following method is non-destructive technique for ink identification? Option 1, solubility test. Option 2, thin layer chromatography. Option 3, UV visible spectrophotometer. Option 4, video spectral analysis. The correct answer for this is the option 4, that is the video spectral analysis. Next question, question 33. Wisdom tooth is also known as 1. Canine, 2. Lateral incisor, third molar, 4th second premolar. The correct answer for this is the third molar. Next question, question 34. Olecrayon fossa is present in which of the following bone? 1. Radius, 2. Humerus, 3. Tibia, 4. Femur. The correct answer for this is the humerus. Next question, question 35. Foramen magnum is present in 1. Pelvis, 2. Scapula, 3. Sternum, 4. Skull. The correct answer for this is the foramen magnum is present in the skull. Option 4 is the correct answer. Question 36. Linea aspera is present on which of the following bone? 1. Humerus, 2. Femur, 3. Clavicle, 4. ulna. The correct answer for this is option 2, that is femur. Here in figure we can see this is the linea aspera. The next question, question 37. Ossification center of bone may be used for determination of 1. Sex, 2. Age, 3. Stature, 4. Time since death. The correct answer for this is option 2, that is age. Next question, question 38. Development of a classification system based on a single fingerprint is credited to 1. Henry, 2. Galton, 3. Batley, 4. Frols. The correct answer for this is the option 3, that is Batley. Next question, question 39. The book entitled Classification and Causes of Fingerprints is authored by 1. Francis Galton, 2. Henry Frols, 3. E.R. Henry, 4. John Wetzstedt. The correct answer for this is option 3, E.R. Henry. Next question, question 40. The ridge counting is not possible from option 1. Plain walls, option 2. Ulnar loop, option 3. Radial loop, option 4. Plain arch. The correct answer for this question is option 4, that is plain arch. Next question, question 41. Which of the following parameter is not measured by the lie detector? Option 1, pulse rate. Option 2, blood pressure. Option 3, galvanic skin resistance. Option 4, adrenaline levels. Here the correct answer for this is the option 4, that is adrenaline levels. Others, the pulse rate, BP and the galvanic skin resistance all are measured during the lie detector measurement. Next question, question 42. The term expert evidence is defined in section 145 Indian Evidence Act, 131 Indian Evidence Act, 45 Criminal Procedure Code, 131 Indian Penal Code. The correct answer for this is the option 1, that is 45 Indian Evidence Act. Next question, question 43. The gas chromatography was developed by option 1 G. D. Kohler and the K. Hyde, second Henry and Pascal, third Peabody and Pascal, fourth Lucy and Hyde. The correct answer for this is the option 1, that is Kohler and the Hyde. Next question, question 44. Here the seminal fluid choline originate from 1. Seminal vesicle, 2. Sertoli cells, 3. Leydig cells, 4. Prostate gland. The correct answer for this question is the option 3, that is Leydig cells. Next question, question 45. Dash is used to determine the species of origin from blood stain. 1. Acid phosphatase test. 2. Teichmann test. 3rd, fluorescence test. 4th, immunoprecipitation test. The correct answer for this question number 45 is the option 4, that is immunoprecipitation test. Next question, question 46. Which of the following is the active component of the marking nut? Option 1, semicarpol. Option 2, semicarpine. Option 3, semicarbene. Option 4, semicarmine. The correct answer for this is the option A, that is semicarpol. Next question, question 47. HMX contain option 1, cyclotetra methylene tetranitramine. Option B, ammonium nitrate. Option 3, nitroglycerin. Option 4, cyclotetramethylene trinitrate. The correct answer for this is the option 1. That is HMX contains the cyclotetra methylene tetranitramine. Next question, question 48. The teaching of the forensic science for the first time in India was started in 1959 at option A, Delhi. Option 2, Hyderabad. Option 3, Sagar. Option 4, Patiala. The correct answer for this is option C or option 3, that is Sagar. Next question, question 49. The firing pin marks of a guns are compression mark, cut mark, striation mark or the repetitive marks. The correct answer for this is the option 1, that is compression marks. Next question, question 50. The tailing of a wound is seen in chop wound. Option 2, Substitution. Option 3, lacration. Option 4, incised wound. The correct answer for this is the incised wound. Here we have finished the 50 question, that is half of the question of this MSc Forensic Science entrance exam of Delhi University 2020, and other we will cover in the next video. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned and subscribe my channel.